10 legitimate ways to make money online from home. Hello there, aspiring online entrepreneurs. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 10 legitimate ways to make money online from the comfort of your own home. If you're ready to embark on this exciting journey, let's dive right in. Scene 1, Freelancing. Freelancing is a popular way to monetize your skills and expertise. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or marketer, platforms like Upwork and Freelancer connect you with clients seeking your services. Scene 2, Online Tutoring. If you have knowledge in a particular subject, consider online tutoring. Websites like VipKid and Tutor.com provide opportunities to teach English, math, or other subjects to students worldwide. Scene 3, Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting products or services through your website, blog, or social media platforms. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank to start earning passive income. Scene 4, Online Surveys and Microtasks. Companies are willing to pay for your opinion through online surveys. Sign up on platforms like Swagbucks and SurveyJunkie to get paid for completing surveys and microtasks. Scene 5, Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce model where you sell products online without maintaining inventory. Set up your own online store using platforms like Shopify and source products from suppliers. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships it directly to them. Scene 6, Content creation on YouTube. YouTube provides an excellent opportunity to create engaging content and monetize it through ads, sponsored videos, and brand collaborations. Find your niche, create valuable content, and grow your audience. Scene 7, Online Course Creation. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and market your courses to a global audience. Scene 8, Virtual Assistant Services. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need virtual assistants with tasks like email management, social media scheduling, and data entry. Offer your services as a virtual assistant through platforms like Fiverr or by reaching out directly to potential clients. Scene 9, Stock Photography and Videography. If you have a knack for photography or videography, consider selling your work as stock media. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to upload and sell your photos and videos. Scene 10, Ebook Publishing. Self-publishing an ebook is an excellent way to share your knowledge and earn royalties. Platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, enable you to write and publish your book to the world. There you have it, 10 legitimate ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. Remember, success in the online world takes time and effort. Choose a path that aligns with your interests and skills, and always keep learning and adapting. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck on your online journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow aspiring online entrepreneurs. Until next time.